and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. When you guys are seeing it, it is Monday, July the 5th of 2021, and I am here with some absolutely insane, and I mean insane, Target extreme couponing deals. Target this week is amazing. No, there's not a bunch of freebies. There's not like 12 freebies or anything like that. However, we have some absolutely rock bottom prices, really great stock up prices, really great Ibotta rebate deals to help us hit our big bonus we have right now on Ibotta. Just some really amazing deals at Target. We have an epic laundry stock up deal, like getting over $70 worth of laundry products for under $20. It is such a crazy deal. It's so amazing, and I cannot wait to share all these deals with you guys in store at Target in this video. It's going to be epic, so stay tuned. But I'm super excited to share all this with you. So I kind of like to say this every week. If you guys don't know, I'm going to talk a lot today about Target Circle. If you ever hear me say anything about a Target Circle coupon, how do you find those coupons? Get the Target app on your phone. You can also do it on the website, whichever you want to do. And you just simply clip the offers to your Target account. And when you go to the register, you can open up your Target app, scan the barcode, or if you want to enter your phone number, that's an option as well. It'll automatically deduct the offers at the register for you. So it's like a digital coupon, just Target's form of a digital coupon. Really nice, super easy, and I never really have issues with Circle. For the most part, they always work perfectly. So Target Circle for the win. Also, if you're not sure how Target gift card promos work, at Target, like you're going to hear me talk about this laundry gift card promo, spend $50, get a $15 Target gift card. Kind of how that works is you just, you ring the products up at the register, and it will prompt for a gift card right then and there at the register. There's no submitting for a rebate or anything like that. You just simply ring the products up, and at the register, it will prompt to give you a gift card you can use on your next transaction at Target. So it's super simple and super easy. You don't have to submit for any rebates or anything. It's just a super easy process. They'll give you that gift card right at the end of your transaction, whether you do self-checkout or in store, either way. All the deals I'm going to mention today are typed up in a printable breakdown. I would ask you, please, still watch the video. Don't just use the printable breakdown and not watch the video. It's really important to watch the video. I go way more in depth in the video, and watching the video is one of the great ways, is the key way, actually, that my channel is able to keep going. It's the key thing that supports my video, or my channel. So please watch the videos and know it's greatly appreciated, and is the key thing that allows me to do what I do. Some other things that help me do what I do is printable coupons. If you guys haven't grabbed the new printable coupons that came out this week, please consider doing that using the link I have provided. It really helps me out when you all do that, and it does allow me to keep on doing the videos. The same as just going to coupons.com directly. So when you use my link, it does help me out a little bit. So please consider doing that. And finally, if you're not already on the rebate apps like Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, Shopkick, Swagbucks, My Points, the rebate apps are so great. They're my favorite way to coupons. If you guys haven't already hopped on over to those, feel free to sign up using my link in the description box, my referral link. It does help me out, but it actually helps you guys out as well, because whenever you use somebody's referral link, you get like a little commission or bonus, usually like a welcome bonus, and that'll give you some extra points in the apps. So consider doing that using my link. All right, that's all I got to say here in the beginning. Let's head on in store at Target and get ourselves some deals. Okay, so my Target doesn't carry this one, but this is a really awesome freebie, and you can actually get two different kinds, and it's two different Ibotta rebates. So the core bars are everyday price $2.49 at Target. There's a rebate right now for the blueberry ones and the peanut butter chocolate. So here's how I would suggest doing this deal. Pick up two of the blueberry bars at $2.49 and pick up two of the peanut butter chocolate at $2.49. That totals you $9.96. We have a Circle offer right now for 50% off when you spend $5 plus. So that's going to take off $4.98 for the Circle. Then there's an Ibotta rebate for $2.50 back if you purchase two of the blueberry, and $2.50 back if you purchase two of the peanut butter. So you're paying $4.98, you're getting $5 back from Ibotta, makes four of them free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. Amazing deal. Okay, so my store doesn't carry this one either, but it's on the Koya smoothies, and they're $2.99 each. So here's the best way to do this deal. You're gonna buy one of the strawberry flavor, and you're gonna buy one of the mango flavor. There is a BOGO printable coupon if you sign up on the Koya website that will give you a printable for buy one, get one free. So print that coupon. We have a Circle offer for 25% off. Now these are so weird. The Circle offers always do weird things when you have a buy one, get one coupon. Here, what I'm thinking is going to happen is it's only going to take off 74 cents because it's only going to take the circle offer off of the one that's not free with the coupon. So in that case, it would take off 74 cents. So then you're going to pay $2.24 for both, and then you'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back for the strawberry and $1 back for the mango. It would make it only 24 cents for both, or 14 cents each. And again, two rebates towards your bonus. So excellent deals and great way to help get to that big bonus. All right, so Target has an amazing deal this week on laundry care, household care, Febreze, paper products, all sorts of stuff. They're all on this amazing gift card deal. Spend $50, get a free $15 Target gift card. To pair with it, there also is a manufacturer's rebate from Procter & Gamble. If you spend $50 after coupons, you will get a $20 gift card back. So think about it. If you spend $50 out of pocket, you're literally going to get back $35. So that's like literally getting $50 worth of stuff for $15. Oh my gosh, this is happening. So let's go through an awesome scenario. And I want to quickly give a shout out. Thank you so much to Shop with Sarah. She shared about the Procter & Gamble rebate still being available. I didn't know about that. So I'd actually done a different scenario. When I found out that that rebate was still available, like, this is such a better deal to do it this way instead. So the first thing you're going to grab here is one of these Tide liquids. These are $11.99. And you are also going to grab a thing of Tide Pods. You're going to grab one of these Tide Pods that are also $11.99. You're also going to buy one of the Tide Pods that are $6.99. And you are also going to grab one of these Tide Liquids for $6.89. All right, and then for this deal, you're also going to grab a thing of Gain Flings that are $11.99. And you're going to grab one of these Big Gain Liquids at $11.99. And then last but certainly not least, you're going to buy one of these big Downy Unstoppables that are $11.99. So that gets you well above. Okay, so this completes the entire scenario. So here's kind of the coupons. I'm going to try to keep this as simple as possible. So for this, you are going to use the 10% off circle offer for the big Tide. You're going to clip the 10% circle offer for the big Tide Pods. You're going to clip the 10% circle offer for the Gain Flings and the 10% circle offer for the Gain Liquid. So those are the circle offers that are going to apply, 10% off. The rest of them are paper coupons. Now, for the Tide Liquid, the big one, we have a $3 off of one paper coupon. All the coupons I'm mentioning came from the 7-4 P&G, so 3 off 1. We have a 2 off 1 Tide Liquid coupon from the 7-4 P&G. We have a 3 off 1 Tide Pods for this big Tide from the P&G, and a 2 off 1 for the little Tide from the P&G. We also have a $3 paper coupon for the Gain Flings from the P&G, and a $2 paper coupon for the Tide Liquid from the P&G. And finally, for the Downy Beads, we have a $3 paper coupon for the P&G. So it's going to be $51.99 plus any tax you have in your area. But then, this is when it gets really fun. We're going to get a $15 Target gift card for spending $50, and $20 back from Procter & Gamble in the form of a rebate. I'll have the link in the description. You can just go and submit your receipt to them, and you'll get that $20 gift card back for spending $50. And so after that, it drops this all to $16.99, which is pretty crazy when, like, these are $11.99 a piece. So this is a deal right here for good name brand laundry products. So run on this one. Alright, I'm not sure how long this one's going to last, but this is a really nice deal on the Biotrue. It's supposed to include through the 10th. I'm really shocked they included the trial size. But anyway, this Biotrue eye contact solution, it is $2.99 at Target in the trial area. And there is a gift card. If you buy any two, you get a free $5 gift card back. So pick up two of them, that's $5.98. Get back the free $5 gift card. Makes 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. Awesome. Y'all, I know this has to be very frustrating to hear me constantly say my Target doesn't carry this, but they don't. But a bunch of you guys told me last week when I talked about a similar deal that I should be looking in the protein area for these and not with the snacks. So anyway, they're called Siren snacks. They're little protein snacks. They're $2.99. And last week the rebate was only for the keto variety, but this week the rebate is just for the regular ones. So they're $2.99. Pick up two of them. If you go on the Siren's website and sign up for their emails, you'll get back a buy one get one free printable coupon. So you use that, you'll pay $2.99 for both, and then Ibotta has $1 back on each. You'll get that back times 2. So it makes them both 99 cents or 49 cents each. A really awesome deal, and it's good for the bonus. Okay, so my Target doesn't carry this one. Not surprised at all, but this one came from Total Savings over on Instagram. She has really good Target posts, so definitely follow her if you don't already. But it's on the 10 count Oli sleep stuff, vitamin things. They're $3.99 each, and there is an Ibotta for $3 back on one. So right off the bat, that makes it 99 cents. But we're not done. There is an additional bonus. I don't know why, but Ibotta is giving an extra 50 cents back if you buy one. So $3.50 back total on a $3.99 item. You're going to get this for 49 cents. Really amazing deal. So I want to mention, always be on the lookout. I am one of those people who will shop all year long for Christmas. When I find things on really good deals, I like to go ahead and grab them. And Target has a bunch of toys on clearance. We got some 30% and even 50% on like Fisher Price, Paw Patrol. I've seen a ton of good Leapfrog here. Tons of toys and stuff on markdowns. So hey, get it for Christmas and just birthdays or whatever, and just have it stocked up. Maybe when your kids have a party or whatever, just get it when they're on really good clearances like this. 30-50%, and it's bound to probably go even cheaper as time goes on. There's literally clearance everywhere in Target. Clothing had some clearance too, but I want to mention they have like these party items, kids crafts. Like this is good for the kids if you got kids at home during the summer. You know, some of these are 50% off, so that could be a really awesome deal. So we have an awesome deal on the Gerber Naturals baby food at Target. They're just $1 each, and there's a printable for $1 off of 2. So it's literally making them 50 cents a piece. Now, check your store because they actually had some on clearance. So if you can find it on clearance at 85 cents and use that coupon, they'd be even cheaper, but even 50 cents, that's a phenomenal savings. So cheap baby food for the win. So a really nice deal on the Skintimate shaving creams over at Target. It's $2.59, and there is a circle for $1 off of 1. So load that circle. You're going to pay $1.59. And there's an Ibotta rebate right now for $1 back on 1, just making it 59 cents. A really, really nice one to go towards that bonus. And hey, even if you're not doing the bonus, 59 cents is just a great price. Okay, so I have a nice little deal on the Sour Punch straws, and these are good to hit your Ibotta bonus too. These are $1.39. There is a circle offer for 15% off of 1, so that's going to take off 20 cents. And then Ibotta just has a rebate for 35 cents back. So it's just going to make these 83 cents each. You know, pretty good deal towards your bonus. All right, so a really great deal on the 16-ounce Kraft Jet Puffed Marshmallows. They're just $1.89 at Target. There is a rebate on Ibotta just for $1 back on 1. So submit for that, and it's going to make it 89 cents. That's a pretty decent one towards your bonus. Pretty great deal. All right, so another sunscreen deal. Hey, if you ever need sunscreen, I'll tell you, Target's the place to get it. Not quite as good as last week, but still great and a good one for the bonus. This copper tone here is $6.99 at Target. There is a circle for 20% off. That's going to take off $1.40. There's also a $2 manufacturer circle offer, so load that. It's going to take $3.40 off total. And then Ibotta has their rebate for $2.50 back on 1, just making it $1.09. Really awesome price. Great deal. All right, so I have a really good Frito-Lay deal. The chips, the Cheetos, Doritos, they're on a sale, 3 for $6, and you do have to buy 3 to get that. So 3 for $6, and there's a circle, and it's going to end on Monday. So this is really a run deal. It's for 25% off. So if you buy 3 for $6, get the 20% off. It's going to take off $1.50, or 25% off. Sorry, $1.50, and it's going to make it $4.50 for 3, or $1.50 a bag. That is such an awesome price. All right, so my Target doesn't have the particular variety that we have a circle offer on right now, but this is such a good deal. So the Dannon Oikos yogurt, it's not the 000, it's the regular Oikos. They're $3.79, and there's a circle offer for 50% off if you buy 1. So it's like $1.90 off, and it'll just make it $1.89. So hopefully you can find that. That's a really good deal. I'm like so excited, guys. Back to school sales have officially begun, and I tell you, over the next several weeks, you're going to see me talk all about the back to school deals at all the stores, because this is the time, whether you got a kid in school or whether you use notebooks or pens or whatever regularly, this is the time to grab them because they're at rock bottom prices. So Target's got composition books for 50 cents. That's a great deal. They have the regular notebooks, the spiral ones, for 25 cents. I do want to say, I don't think that everything's necessarily a good deal. That's why every week it's good to shop all the sales and see what the prices are. Because like the folders, they're on sale for 50 cents. That's really not that great. We'll see other stores run them for like 10 cents, 25 cents as we get closer. And the stores will do different kinds of deals each week. So it's really good to have your list of the stuff you need and just shop each week when the stuff hits its rock bottom price. So that's a good one to pass on. This is so great. The Mondo Llama crayons, they are 25 cents. Literally 25 cents. That's so cheap. They also had their brand, I don't see them at this store, of the colored pencils, but they're on sale for 50 cents. And then we have, look at this, we have the Mondo Llama markers. Regularly $2. Some of them were $3.25. We got them for 50 cents. That's a deal. That is a really good deal. If you want the Crayola brand, those are also on sale. There's a little bit more money, but those are included as well in different sales. Just really good school items at Target. I want to share even more clearance with you guys about stuff that Target has. This whole line here, it is called Good Office Day, all on clearance. Some of it's 30% off, but we got some of it literally as much as 70% off. So these like really nice binders, these are all 70% off. This is like a nice chipboard binder here. Man, they got some really nice stuff. All of it as much as 70% off. So just always peruse the aisles for clearance because you never know what you'll find. It seems like Target is really, really good at having good clearance. So check all that out. All right, guys, that's all I got for this week's Target in-store deals. I think it's a great week. There's not a lot of freebies, but the deals just are such great stock up, like that laundry. But yeah, it's all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching.